kitchen entrance, bathroom window. And this is what a mess this is underneath here. Oh my god, it's just... all tore up. Which is why there were so many. It's just bad, and I'm sure it's from fixing water leaks and whatever else they were doing underneath there, but the whole thing underneath here is just a mess. Yes, we bought this tape. This is tape, and this is more of that fabric. Doesn't look like much. I don't know. It's kind of pricey too. I had to order it online. And I'll show you what the fix looks like. We did fix one other side of it yesterday. Tested it out just to see how it would work. Oh, there's Scotty G back from the hardware store again. Thank God they're only 7 miles away. So, I don't know. This is a piece of that fabric, and then some of that tape. So it actually works really good. It's nice and secured. Here's the other end of the tape. So, alright. It is just cold out here today. And it looks like in front of the house there. Whew! Blocking the window a little bit. Nasty skies. Like there's some rain happening over there. Coming our way, I think. So we were gonna work on the underneath the house, but it's just too cold. Anyways, making sure we don't have any more leaks. So not a bad thing to have it rain now. Well, I got everything pulled inside the house. All our boards we had underneath we were kneeling on. I don't want them to get wet. They're kind of squishy as it is, so they're good kneeling on though, on the rocks, so. Raindrops on the windows. Oh, so tickled pink to have this. Yeah, have this floor all finished up. I am happy about that. So, yeah, oh, my bike I brought back from Mom's. Alright, well, last video I posted about our card game shenanigans. We had a viewer tell us that him and his wife used to play too.
I'm ready for you.
Oh. And they just kept one game going, a big marathon game, so that's what we're doing. We'll see. Alright, while we wait for the rain, you know, we goof off. Right, Cradle?
Goofy.
Okay, we're dying watching these guys
Cut the grass.
cut the grass. Oh, he quit. Come on, guy. That was funny.
Only in Arizona.
Alright, this is our guilty pleasure. We're going to the casino today. Hopefully, we're not big old losers again today, but we will find out.
I got 80 loaded, 20 going in. I'm at Red Rock Casino, and I haven't played the bets in a while. 440 is my bet. Let's do this, everybody. I'm ready to play with some bets. Oh my goodness, I thought I
We've decided this is a much better way for us to gamble.
I decided to start with the bets.
Right, Cradle?
Yep. We can afford this.
I don't know. I thought I had an end to that sentence, but I don't.
Vegas low roller
You know,
on YouTube.
for a while, and I like Batman. Those
Great
are my
entertainment.
favorites. Look at this.
Okay, he's
High five.
saving these though. I'm sure they're quite pricey. I mean, the plan is always to put a bedroom on this end, an extra bedroom, but we'll see how all that goes anyways, so there won't be an awning need. It's too expensive to put them up right now anyways. So, yeah. So far so good on this side, that's for darn sure. Yeah, pretty fabulous. This side in a matter of minutes. It's able to get that whole track down. That one loose?
One more screw.
One more screw to man say. Yeah, our roof guy too said this might have been part of the problem. But we're not having any problems on this side, it's the other side, but I wonder if that was those problems were existing because there's a bunch of added extra screws and I'll get it, throw it down. Thank you. There it is. So, yeah, the other side is not going this well, but maybe we'll start at the far end rather than by the door end again. That's where all the leaking issues are. So it has to be coming from someplace other than the roof at this point though now. So windows are done, the roof is done, so it's got to be coming in from that track area. We're thinking on the other side over there, so, you know. I don't know. Oh, did you catch him already?
So he's under the cup. And you gotta shake him up a little bit. Then you gotta go. And then,
Oh!
Guess I didn't shake him up enough.
Oh!
Oh!
Where'd he
He's
go?
up above the window.
Dirty bird. Should have filmed the other one. You got one out of there.
I know.
Now you're getting real desperado. What? Would you just pick him up? Oh my god, he's huge. Still. Now you can just throw him outside. It's a catch and release. It's a catch and release program in Casa Grande, Arizona. There you go. It's all good, people. More work on the bathroom. We're tearing down the ceiling. What's this vent up here? It's not heat.
This is the air conditioning vent from a roof swamp cooler.
The swamp cooler, yeah. So we're gonna leave it in place. So, but this, we needed to take this apart so he can get the electrical right. I don't know. This just seems weird to me. Never seen anything like this before.
I needed something that mounted to.
I guess, but
Coming out.
yeah, they're coming out. But I mean, now they make those expanders, and you can just. So yeah, I don't know. There seems to be a lot of air leakage around here. Somehow we're gonna have to
We'll figure it out.
fix all that because we're not entirely sure if that mess up there, all that black in that insulation, could just be dust. Scott thinks too, which, you know, would make sense if there's a bunch of leakies in here. So
That's dust.
don't.
That's dust. It blows in from that
Yeah.
siding.
All right, so we're just gonna clean up our mess now. So, all right, that was all full of staples. So we'll re-insulate where we need to, and then put vapor barrier back up there. The screen. Right. More plumbing. Not more plumbing. Finishing plumbing. The Scotty G man is now turns plumber. Next he'll be the electrician. You know. That's what happens. When you use po folk. Got to do everything yourself. Right, Mr. Gradle?
I'll give a big shout out to all my fans out there. I couldn't do this without you.
Oh, Lord. Okay.
You know what my catchphrase is?
Lord knows.
What the hell?
Am I doing on the ground? That's what I say. Oh, this camera. There it is. It's still filming. Sometimes I'm just not sure. That was the magic purple cleaner.
That was the purple cleaner.
Mm-hmm.
What's my catchphrase?
To hell, Gradle.
Huh?
Well, I know you just made it up 5 minutes ago, so.
What the hell?
I ran out of battery right in the middle of a catchphrase. Anyways, there it is. Beautiful pot.
Well,
now what are you doing?
We'll have to go back into the recording farther to remember what that catchphrase was.
What the hell, Gradle? Can't remember nothing. Is there enough? There. It's our fancy new tool. So now what are you doing? Just putting the old stuff back up there? Alright, this is the last of the underneath. And all this, whatever it is, fabric, that's been, I suppose you need a, let me get a wire, not wire tie thing. Just trying to put the old stuff and then we'll cover it with the new stuff, but got to get the old kind of in place. Alright, so see it. Put the insulation in from the top side. I don't know if you can see it all the way down there, but yeah, all this has to be mended, fixed, repaired, replaced. All right,
I don't know.
I'm gonna help. What?
Why there's no insulation there?
Well, we got some insulation.
I need my knife.
All right, just a minute. After much grunting and groaning, we have that side done. Now we need to work on this. So Scott's just trying to take the old stuff and cut it out or patch it up where we can. Not that we're really reusing any of it, we're just some of it can be stapled across and used as a brace or something, I guess, so I don't know. Anyways, alright, this part's next. And then there's all that under there yet. This is considered overhead work in my book too, which really sucks when you're this old. Coupled with having to lie down on the ground. Oh, Lord.
This is groundwork.
This is groundwork. This is not old people work, that's for sure. But what are you going to do? Damn kids are all in Wisconsin. What do you say, Gretel? You want to do another one?
What?
Another remodel.
Another remodel?
Yeah!
You got one in mind?
No.
Oh.
Oh, somebody on a motorcycle just riding by there. Pushed you off. Oh, we got a little loose spot there. But we're gonna have this spray adhesive that's been working wonders. There you go. 3M Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive. We used it for something on the bus. Oh, I know, around the bed. Sides of the bed. Put the fabric on there.
Yeah, and if it'll hold their bed together.
Good Lord. Why? Because there's a lot of weight on there.
All that action.
Oh, yeah.
Tossing and turning.
Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave us a comment. Love to hear from you. Next video, we're going to show you, we finally get some guests for the first time ever at our property here. So thanks again for watching. Here's Gretel. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.